Start by unboxing your new City Robin 2022. It's best to recruit a friend because this is a two-person job. The first step is to remove all the protective packaging from your new e-bike. With the protective packaging off, take a moment to inventory all of the items that come with your City Robin. The box will include pedals, a manual, charger, a front wheel skewer, front metal fender, and a set of assembly tools. To start assembly, have your friend hold the back of the bike while you put on the front handlebars. Pick up the front handlebars and rotate the front fork and stem 180 degrees in a clockwise manner. Remove the stem cap to place your handlebars in place. Hold your handlebars up and make sure that the front brake line is straight and free and clear. Attach and screw in the handlebar stem cap. Tighten all the bolts evenly so that there isn't an unequal distribution of stress. Next, take your front wheel skewer and remove the end cap. Place the skewer through the brake disc side of the front wheel. Lift up your e-bike and slide the front wheel into position. The forks will rest on the front wheel skewer and the brake disc will go in between the brake pads on the caliper. Tighten the front wheel skewer with the lever open and then firmly press the lever back. Next, we will do final adjustments on the handlebars and stem. You may need to use a knife to pry open the front cap on your stem. Use your long stem Allen key to tighten the front forks into the headset. Turn your handlebars and stem to align flush and straight with your front wheel. After you've put it in place, tighten the bottom bolt and the side bolts to lock it. To adjust your stem to the appropriate angle, loosen the bolt underneath your stem. After that, loosen the bolt on the side of your stem. You will now be able to actuate your stem up and down to the desired angle. Open the seat post quick release and raise the seat to the desired riding position. It's recommended to have the seat waist high when your feet are on the ground and kick out the kickstand so that the bike can rest on its own. The pedals will have an R and L on the side to indicate which side of the bike they go on. Hand tighten the pedals and then use a wrench to tighten them firmly in position. Use the bolt on the fork to attach the front fender and light. Press the M button on your handlebars and turn your e-bike on.